So we're just not gonna focus in a timely fashion. We've got all day. And we're back. Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, welcome. I am happy to have you. Do not forget to subscribe before leaving, just so we can keep hanging out later. Today I am coming to y'all with an IKEA haul. This was my first IKEA trip for 2018. There are a few things I knew I wanted to get, especially after kind of online comparison shopping. I like to do some comparison shopping with like higher end or mid to high end retailers, and then I look at IKEA for comparable options and then really try to make a wise decision with my coins. So I went to IKEA, I picked up quite a few goodies, and let's just jump right into this haul. Okay, so most of what I got is in the realm of greenery, nature, so I don't have a green thumb. My husband does. Well, at the very least he's better at it than I am. So we did have a few plants on our deck that unfortunately died. And with spring around the corner, I wanted to definitely bring the deck back to life and also just kind of introduce a little bit more nature in our space, but I didn't want to take the chance of, killing my plants. So I wanted to get just a few artificial plants just to really zhuzh up the deck and just the rest of the apartment. Well, the first thing I got two of these giant leaf things. I have been on a bit of a leaf kick recently, depending on when this goes up, in comparison to a few other shopping hauls I've done, or depending which one you're watching first, you will definitely have seen a few other leaf themed, leaf inspired items. This is something I knew I wanted for a while, and this was one of the things that I was like, IKEA has one of these. I'm sure IKEA has one of these, and they do. This was, I would want to say, about $5.99. It is a faux leaf with a long stem, and so this is something I plan on using in like a slim vase by itself, just as that pop of nature in the space. So I got two because I have one vase definitely in mind for this, and then the other one, while I didn't have the vase yet, I knew that I wanted one in like the dining living room area, and then another one either in my office or in my bedroom. So I just got two just to be safe. And like I said, these are just an easy, simple way to just give that little pop of nature without even doing like too much or going overboard with flowers or anything like that. So I got two of these, and then I got this little artificial beauty here. Again, like I said, everything I got was artificial. There are real plants at IKEA, just in case you did not know. I, again, did not want to take the chance of killing anything. I saw this. This was just absolutely beautiful with the detailing and everything. And I just absolutely had to get it. So there were taller versions. I got the small version in the pink and the slightly bigger version in the white. So you see the same level of detailing here. Most of these I'm looking to use on the deck and in the living dining room area to really just give everything a little bit of life. For both of these I got pots. So for the larger one I got this simple round black and white pot, and I can literally just pop that in there. It's a look. And then for the smaller one I got this small gold pot. The gold pot was actually available in two sizes, this small size and a slightly bigger size, but I didn't want to have two of the exact same pots. But yeah, so pop that girl right in there and finito. So I got those, and then I also got this gorgeous vase, and I'm thinking this might be the second vase that I use for the single leaf, but it has like this beautiful swirl. It's a transparent glass, but it has this beautiful swirl to it, with soft touches of blue. And if you know most of my decor, the accent color is blue, although it is now slowly becoming a little bit of more blush pink as well, which was perfect for getting this flower. So I was thinking of doing something like this, but this one might be a little bit too long, so I would either cut it, or like I said, I have a vase already in mind that's taller than this one. But even with this, like I said, it would just look really perfect as like a little neutral, cool, springy pop. So either way, I'm excited, and I know I can't go wrong. I also, in terms of plants, got this little dish, and it is intended to hold pots. So you'll see it has, you know, those grooves in there. And this is definitely for the deck. We actually plan on planting some herbs. That would be the only thing that is not artificial out there. And I wanted the herbs to kind of have a home. And I saw this tray. It was blush pink. It was super cute. I had to get it. It will be sitting on this table. I haven't put it together or opened it yet. Oh, there's no picture on this box. Well, I'll insert a picture of the table, but it is a tray. It is a metal tray table. I got it in the deep green, and we currently have another table out there, but that table needs to be brought back to life. I put it out there and didn't pay much attention, so it's gotten dirty and stained. So I actually plan on doing a bit of an upcycle with that table. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, give this video a thumbs up, and as soon as I get around to saving that table's life, I will share with you guys. But I wanted to replace it with a metal. Oh, there is a picture. So the top part is actually removable to be used as a solo tray, so I thought that was super cool. We always like to keep a table out there, and I just decided this one would be better suited. I love the green, so it was a really great pop. I have two chairs. They're gray. We have some faux grass rug, and on top of that, a blue rug. There's a lot of cool tones basically out there, and I feel like the screen would fit right in. Moving along, the last piece of greenery that I got from IKEA is this girl here. Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? It's a tree! So it is a faux fig fiddle leaf tree. I'm probably saying it wrong, but that's fine. You can see it. This is a tree that I have been eyeballing for quite some time from quite a few retailers. And I've always been looking at the faux one because I don't want a real tree in my house. And every single retailer that I have checked out for this tree, this faux tree, has easily been $100 or more. I've actually never seen it for anything less than $100 except at IKEA. And I don't understand why. I don't. Anyway, so IKEA had it for $49.99. I actually wanted two, but I was like, let me get one just to like really live with it for a little bit. As my thinking is, it'll either go in the corner of our bedroom beside our mirror or on the deck. So I'm gonna play around with both ideas. If I end up like really falling in love with both ideas, IKEA is not going anywhere. Those trees might, but I mean, then it wasn't meant to be. I also got some new bedding. So I love duvet covers. I am a duvet girl. I don't like comforters. They just take up so much stinking space. So when we moved out here, I made a promise to myself to never buy another comforter, another bed in a bag, and just none of that, because no. So I love duvets because I can literally just buy one duvet and a ton of duvet covers that fold down just as easily as sheets. So I got this duvet cover. There were 3 that I saw on the site that I wanted to see in person. I narrowed it down, I'm lying, 4. I narrowed it down to those 4, in the store I liked all 4, so I just let my husband choose which one of the 4 was his fave. He chose this one. I'm very happy with this one. I'm actually gonna open it for you guys. I have 3 duvet covers from IKEA. They're not exactly the same in terms of material, but I haven't been disappointed with any of them, so I don't expect to be disappointed with this one. So this one is more of like a satin feel. So the other ones we have, one is like more like a cotton, the other one's more like a linen, and then this one, so you can see it's like a deep blue with like beige and white, so it's kind of like an abstract splatter print, and like I said, it has like a satin feel. Let me see if it tells me actually what this girl's made of. It is 310 thread count. I'll be completely honest with you, that's never mattered to me. And 60% cotton, 40% lyocell. So obviously not satin. I wasn't expecting IKEA to sell me satin, but like it has that kind of satin feel to it. I really like it. It was actually on display on a bed in the store, and it looked really, really nice. So I'm excited to get this girl on the bed, because I actually also recently got a new duvet, so that will be going on there. And then I got my daughter her first duvet cover, so with that I also got her first duvet insert also. And actually my husband chose this one. I didn't see this one on the website, or maybe I just missed it. So the pillowcase is actually just clouds. Super pretty. And then I'm not gonna open the duvet itself, but you saw, you know, the graphic there, and you can tell that it's basically reversible. So in case you're wondering, it is 166 thread count and 50% cotton, 50% lyocell. So got her this. That is everything I got from IKEA. If you guys are interested in seeing how I style any of these items, any reviews on these items after using them for a little bit of time, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Thank you again for hanging out with me. As always, it is your girl Albie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.